Hi there, in this tutorial I'll show you how to crop a video using Capcut. Let's get started. First, launch the Capcut app on your computer. On the home page, click New Project or Start Your Project, a fresh editing section. Once inside, click Import to add your video to the media library. Once imported, simply drag and drop the video onto the timeline at the bottom. Now click on the video in the timeline to select it, then locate the crop icon in the toolbar above the timeline and click it to activate the cropping tool. A cropping frame will now appear in the preview window. Drag the corners on the edge to resize the position the frame over the area you want to keep. Tap Confirm. For a custom crop, open Crop again. Choose from Preset Aspect, Rotation or manually adjust the frame as needed. Once you position the frame to your liking, click Confirm. The unwanted areas will be cropped out. Use the playback controls to preview your cropped video and ensure everything looks perfect. Happy with the result? Click to Export button at the top right corner, choose your resolution, format and other export settings, then hit Export again to save the finally cropped video to your computer. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.